Out here, the land doesn't care what you want. It doesn't care how many books you've read or how many birds you think you're owed. This is West Texas country. Hard ground, big sky, and plants built to survive. Mesquite claws at your pants. Prickly pear waits for a careless step. Shin oak and broomweed hide birds that do not want to be found. And somewhere in all that, the covey of Bob Whites is doing what it's always done, trying to stay alive. This land's been hunted a long time, long before fences or shotguns, before it was called Texas. People followed game, relying on animals, wild and domestic, for food. And this is where a dog matters. Not a finished dog, not polished, a young dog. Lucy is still learning what all this means. That pressure matters, that birds don't forgive mistakes, and the land doesn't either. There are days she looks lost out here, days she busts birds she never knew were there, days where progress feels imaginary. That's the hard part people don't talk about. Teaching a dog to hunt means letting them fail, and that letting them fail teaches them faster than praising them ever could. Lucy's not a typical bird dog. She's a Carolina dog, also known as the American Dingo, a landrace shaped more by time than by people. She wasn't bred, she was discovered. Her ancestors crossed the Bering Land Bridge and walked into this continent up to 15,000 years ago. Before breeds had names or kennels existed, dogs like her survived by reading the world, knowing where game might be, and excelling at hunting it. That kind of dog doesn't give you anything for free. You earn it. Out here, Lucy's learning the same lessons I am. That patience matters, that scent drifts with the wind, that every choice has consequences. When she finally locks in, seeing it click is incredible. The progress comes from patience, not force. This land humbles you. Hunting isn't about control. You don't conquer the land. You move with it, learn it, and respect it. A young dog teaches you that, whether you want the lesson or not. When bird dog and hunter finally move together, it feels like tapping into something ancient. Something that's been happening out here for a very long time. That's why you don't quit on a dog like this. Because if you stay honest, patient, and willing to be humbled, the land will show you what she's capable of. And so will she.
Dead bird. I did pretty well. I had my gun like this, and they were right where I knew they'd be. Lucy, here. Dead bird. Dead bird, hunt it up.
The GoPro wasn't even rolling when a covey erupted out of the grass. I hit one, then scrambled to get the camera on. We spent the next 15 minutes trying to recover it. I'm locked onto one spot, Lucy's locked onto another. I call her back to me, convinced it fell somewhere in the area I'm searching. And right there you can see the whole problem. I want control, and she wants to work.
I might have to rewatch the video to figure out where it dropped. Well, I guess I didn't get it on camera because I didn't have the camera on. Lucy, dead bird.
I can't smell a downed bird in the grass. Lucy can. So I need to stop trying to be right and start trusting my dog.
Dead bird. She's got it. Good girl. Bring it here. Well, it was way off where I thought it was. Bring it here. Good girl. Fetch. Hold. Hold. Heel. Good. Sit. Good girl. Alright, let's turn that off. My God. Boy. This is a special, special bird, folks. I would call this our first real wild bird. Well, I know we've gotten another one. Good girl, Lucy. Oh, you made Daddy so happy. So now, we got into birds 7 minutes from the truck. I could probably still see the truck if I looked for it. We got our first bird. We got birds out the ass over there. I mean, it was a covey of at least like 16. We got birds over there. Now we can put in some dog work. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Good girl.
We leave the water behind. Shake it off. Now this is the second lesson. Lucy's 80, maybe 100 yards out in front of me when she stops. Not locked up the way she does on pin raised birds. Not that hard, statuesque point I'm used to. This one's softer. She even looks back at me. And I decide I do not believe her. I tell her, okay. In our language, that means release. Come off it.
Are they there?
She pushes another 20 yards, and the desert willow just erupts. Covey of bobwhites blowing out of that tall cover. I'm nowhere near gun range. If I trusted what she was telling me and walked in ready, I could have dropped 2, maybe 3 birds out of that rise. Instead, we're chasing singles again.
So the problem is I can't see her to see if she's getting birdie or not. These freaking quail are smart. We know they're here. Where'd they go? They definitely outsmarted us. Loose, come on. All right, let's walk this and then go to the, oh sh. I doubt I got that one. Got that one. Lucy, dead bird. Boy, I hope the GoPro got that. Lucy, dead bird. Here. Here. Lucy, dead bird. Nailed that. Lucy. Here. Here. Dead bird. Here. Good girl. All right, hold on. Are there any more? Are there any more? No. Are we clear? All right, let's go find it. Dead bird. You didn't point those for shit. What the hell? Lucy, dead bird. Dead bird in here. That was a really good shot. Dead bird in here. Dead bird, hunt it up. Oh, probably came down somewhere right here. Lucy, dead bird. There's a feather. Lucy, dead bird. Dead bird. You get it? Dead bird. Dead bird. Good girl. Come on. Good girl, Lucy. Yeah, good here. Come here. Come here, Lucy. Hold. Hold. Hey. That's okay. Lucy girl. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. Yeah. Good dog. Good dog. Hey, hey. That's not so bad, Lucy girl. Oh, boy. All right, come on. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Lucy! Good girl! Good girl! Bring it here! Bring it here, baby! Good girl! Good girl! Hold! 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 Good girl, Lucy! Oh, look at that. Look at that. Good girl! Good girl, Lucy! Good job! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, we're doing badass! My baby girl. Oh, you're a good dog. You're a good dog. Good dog. You want some water? Come here. Come here. Boy, that's sad, huh? You don't want any water? Okay.
We scratch 2 out of the group, and she helps me find them. But that covey flush, that one's on me. Trust was the first lesson. But wild birds don't care what you think you know. They don't grade on effort, and they don't repeat the drill. Some lessons you can practice. Others, you have to earn. And that's where this hunt really begins.